got this Dover elevator. If it ever gets here. There it is. Oh, how's it going? Inlet. Huh? Wait, it's got inland on this side. Huh? I guess we can still go up. What the heck? This is such a weird mix of fixtures. There's inland on this side, the Dover or the Modus clicky button in there, and then Dover traditional on the other side. Huh? So I guess it only shows these floors. It shows the floors that opens up on this, that open up on this side on this indicator. And then this floor indicator shows the floors that open up on this side. This is really confusing. Oh, we're at 2 north. I think we're going to 2 south. Or that's 2 south. 1 north. Or 1 south. This is a really confusing elevator. Anyway, is it inland on this side? Dover.